Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Now we are going to learn about space, the dark, beautiful, vast and mysterious space. The topics this video will be covering are: what is space, why sound does not travel in space, is space really empty, what is the space made up of, why space is black or dark, and why space is cold. So watch the video fully, and if you like educational videos and facts, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now let's start the video. Space. First, let's look at what is space. Space is everything in the universe beyond the top of Earth's atmosphere. It is a zone that is about 100 kilometers above the Earth's atmosphere where there is no air. It is beyond Earth and between celestial bodies. If you are wondering what is a celestial body, it is also known as heavenly bodies and defined as a natural body which is outside of Earth's atmosphere. For example, Sun, Moon, planets, stars, asteroids, comets, natural satellites, etc. Can sound travel in space? Before that, first let's see what is sound or how it is created in short. Sound is also a form of energy, and a sound is created when air molecules vibrate, and since there is no air in space, also said to be in vacuum, sound cannot travel in space. So does that mean nothing can travel in space? Not exactly. Electromagnetic waves can travel in vacuum as it don't need a medium to travel. This is how astronauts speak with each other. Now let's see how astronauts talk with each other in space. Not inside the spaceship, as it has air in it and people can hear what everyone is talking about. I was talking about outside the spaceship. As we saw earlier, radio waves are a type of electromagnetic waves, and so they can travel in space or vacuum. So when an astronaut speaks with the help of a device in their helmet, the sound is converted to radio waves by a transmitter and sent to the other astronaut, where it is again converted to sound by another transmitter. So, is space really empty? In short, no, it's not. It is in vacuum, but not really empty. It contains gas, dust, isolated particles, hydrogen, helium, and cosmic rays, and many others to be exact. And other than that, it contains planets, asteroids, stars, and other things. So, what is space made of? According to a web page in the European Space Agency, universe is said to contain three types of substances: normal matter, and dark energy. Normal matter. It consists of atoms that makes the stars, planets, humans and every other visible object in the universe. It is the smallest portion in universe, around 1 to 10%. Nearly 25% is the invisible substance called dark matter. 70% force that repels gravity known as dark energy. Now, why space is black or dark? Before that, first let's see why daytime is blue. Light from the sun hits the molecules in Earth's atmosphere and scatters, which is the reason for the blue color. At night, a part of the Earth is not facing the sun and is in opposite direction, and there is no source of light for the scattering, or in other words, as explained by research scientists at University of Chicago and director of astronomy at Adelaide Planetarium, light usually travels straight unless it reflects off something or bent by something. It's like how you see the spot of the laser but not the beam. The light that makes up the beam just goes where the pointer is pointing and not to where the tip is. So light does not make it to our eyes unless you are looking at something bright, because most of the universe is empty, or to say it is in a simpler form, there is virtually nothing in space to scatter or re-radiate the light to our eyes. We see no part of the light and the sky appears to be black. Hope you understood that. Now let's move to the last question. Why is space cold? In short, it's because there is no heat source nearby. Firstly, space is not always cold because space is in vacuum and there are no molecules to possess the heat and hence no temperature. If you are near or facing the sun, it would be hot. Take our Earth as example. The surface temperature of sun is approximately 5500 degrees Celsius. And by the time it reaches Earth, it is cooler than that, and as it goes deep, the heat reduces. So, if you are wondering, is this guy telling the truth? Check out my blog. It has all the links to the official pages that I used to collect this information. Now, an important news. Like the video and subscribe for more educational videos and facts. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Take care.